Hey, it's Keith, and I just wanted to share a real quick thought today about when you get stuck with your gratitude, and even if you're not stuck in your gratitude journaling, this is an easy way to just recharge and get going again. And if you're just starting your journaling and haven't done it yet, I do it. You'll it's so easy, it doesn't take much time, and it will make you feel so much better about yourself and life. You'll never regret it, and it's cheap to do. This is to me is an expensive journal. It's leather bound, it's got a snap on it. You don't need anything like that, but even at that it was only $10. So, for a fancy one, it's still cheap. And a pen, you can get a pen dirt cheap anywhere. Or even go to the bank and get one for free. They give them away every day you're there. So, but what I wanted to share with you today is once you've been journaling and maybe you hit a dry spot or something, or you get tired of journaling for a little bit, go back and get your journal, and don't worry about writing anything. And it can be, I have them back. I have like a half a dozen of these that I've filled out so far, and just go back and get one and go through it and read what you've written in there before. You'll be amazed when you do it how blessed you really truly are. This is a good life. I know if you watch the news, they tell you that it's horrible out there, but there is so much good in this world, and that's what we need to focus on, the greatness, things that we can be grateful for, the love in our life, the people that are in our life, and just the fact that we woke up another day and are able to enjoy that day, work, whatever we have to do. Don't. I'm not going to say don't complain. Complain all you want. Sometimes for some people it's good to get it out. But anyways, yeah, just when you need a boost, go back and reread some of the things that you've written. You'll find amazing results. And check in the description for links and new things that are coming up. I will put them in my descriptions when I have them. And like a gratitude journaling workshop coming up in the fall. And with that, subscribe to our channel. So when you subscribe, you'll be notified when there's another video. And the likes help other people find us. So with that, have a wonderful day. Blessings and gratitude to you all.